Tired of crowded beaches and overhyped tourist traps? Let's escape to somewhere off the radar, America's secret islands. You don't need a passport for paradise. Stick around, you're about to discover a whole new side of the USA. First island, Dry Tortugas, Florida. Dry Tortugas, a remote gem 70 miles west of Key West, Florida. Only accessible by boat or seaplane, this island is home to Fort Jefferson, coral reefs, and crystal-clear snorkeling spots. It's part of a protected national park, so you won't find crowds, just sea turtles, shipwrecks, and serene beauty. Camping overnight? It's like having your own private island under the stars. Second island, Kauai's Niihau, Hawaii. Meet Niihau, known as Hawaii's Forbidden Island. Privately owned and invitation only, it's been largely untouched by modern development. But here's the twist. Limited tours by helicopter or boat do exist. Think, no roads, no hotels, no Wi-Fi. Just untouched beaches, native Hawaiian culture, and total silence. This is as raw and authentic as island life gets. Third island, Mackinac Island, Michigan. Head north to Mackinac Island in Michigan, a car-free escape frozen in time. Bicycles and horse-drawn carriages rule the roads. With its charming 19th century architecture, fudge shops, and coastal trails, this island is a slice of old-world America. Stay in a historic inn, rent a bike, and ride along the lakefront. It's peaceful, picturesque, and packed with character. Fourth island, Cumberland Island, Georgia. Then there's Cumberland Island, Georgia's best-kept secret. Wild horses roam freely, untouched beaches stretch for miles. And in the middle of it all, ancient oak trees, Spanish moss, and the eerie ruins of a Carnegie mansion. Accessible only by ferry, it's part of a national seashore. Quiet, protected, and unbelievably beautiful. Nature lovers, this one's for you. Fifth island, Santa Catalina Island, California. Just off the coast of Los Angeles lies Santa Catalina Island. It's not exactly a secret, but it feels like one. Escape the city in under an hour and swap traffic for snorkeling, ziplining, and panoramic ocean views. The town of Avalon offers island charm with laid-back vibes and hidden coves just waiting to be explored. These are the secret islands of America, unspoiled, uncrowded, unforgettable. Which one's calling your name? Subscribe for more hidden gems and offbeat escapes. And remember, paradise might be closer than you think.